Good day, everyone. My name is Elise Yukan, and with my team member, which is Dinesh and Zaino. Today, we're going to presenting the problem-based task 2. Okay, now today, as you can see, problem-based task. Okay, today we have two sections, which is section A. Okay, so section A, this is the we be asking by the employee develop system record company. So I create my name. My company name is Mark Lee. Future sustainable heart. Okay, this is all the information stuff and the interface. Now we're focusing on the uh on question. Okay, now create an interface name interface overtime in the package. Okay, these are the package. Create the interface. Okay, in class create number second one. Create a class name class salary in the same package will implement the interface over time. So this is we create a class salary in interface over time. Okay. Now declare a employee name, IC number, and department instead variable as a private inner class salary by using a data type inner identified in the table 10. Then add the comment for each. Okay, now this is we declare a variable and question asking about the private. We private the employee name, department, and IC number. But while float about basic salary, we could not put the we do not put no need to put the private, but we put a public. Okay, now next. Create a two constructor in the class salary. One is without parameter and one is the parameter, but declare that this example of variable, okay, which one is the class salary constructor without parameter and one is with parameter and we include with this employee name. Okay, so next, write a getter method for each of the three instance variable. Okay, each variable, which is the public string, get employee name, department, and IC number. Okay. So, and then calculate a method name, calculate OT in class salary with the will return the overtime payment value. Assume that the training give 56 is a pay for each overtime. Overtime only give the regular staff, no overtime of a head of department, which we declare a OT overtime 350 cents overtime for staff only and not department, not head department. And then create a main method in the class name test class salary, which we declare we create class task salary and create a main method, which is public static void main string args and throw IO exception. Okay. So and then declare a local variable in main method will store a value of each attribute as a table 1 and ask the user to input for each of the attribute using buffering reader class exception will be handled in the input entering is invalid. In the question meaning, which we first thing we declare a buffer reader BR new buffer reader. This is what is the meaning of this, which is user this is the main for user input. Without them, the input will not accepted lah. And then declare a local variable, and then local variable, and this is a call class. We call class salary, and then okay, and IO section, which is when we input them, and then this is called this is a exception handling, which if the error they will pop up. Okay, like for example, when they enter basic salary, but you put a wrong words besides the number or the point, they will pop up the IO exception. Okay. So next, user need to make a choice whether the calculation for head department or regular staff. So create an object call method to display all the employee details, including monthly salary, basic salary, and overtime as an input in main method. Please apply at least one method of stream method. Okay, that means so now we try to run and then they say include the monthly salary. Okay, so we see you run. Okay, now we put a staff employee, we choose, and then my name is Lee. And then my head department is IT department and IC number. Okay, I put enter. The monthly salary, I put 7,000. So see, salary overtime. I overtime only get one overtime. Okay, I put one. I declare only one overtime. Okay, 1 hour only. Okay, so I get 1 hour, get 20%. So as you can see, but we didn't put the okay. So you see, 1 hour. I only apply 1 hour overtime only. So you can declare. You can see 7,000, but in this salary we overtime 7,000, 7,003 ringgit and 50 cent. Okay, for one hour overtime. Okay, you can. Okay, and then that's it for the section A, and then I will pass for my team member to continue the section B.
Hello, my name is Zainul Naim. I will present section B. For this section B, tengok soalan. After successfully develop a Java program in section A, extend your program to section B. You have to approach by your supervisor to add a finance process in the employee information system that has been developed. You are asked to add a bonus calculation process to the existing system. The bonus percentage table as in table 2.0 in this picture, and the bonus calculation formula in figure 2.0. So we need to create a bonus calculation in section B. So let's go to the question. Okay, based on the class diagram in figure T0, update your existing Java program that will fulfill all requirements below. First Roman is create another interface named interface bonus, which contain two methods of call bonus as in figure 3.0. The class salary will implement in this interface. So I will show you the coding. Okay. Go to the paling atas. Okay. Tak nampak. Okay. Apa yang kami tambah di dalam coding section B ni, dari section A kita tambah saja interface bonus yang akan ada dalamnya ialah call bonus yang method overloading, dia untuk satu untuk staff, yang satu lagi untuk head department. So untuk staff iaitu float call bonus, method call bonus, parameter yang berbeza iaitu float basic salary dan juga basic float bonus percentage untuk staff. So untuk head department pula kita call method yang nama sama iaitu call bonus. Cuma kita tambah parameter lain iaitu float allowance. Dalam parameter dia sama kecuali kita untuk department kita tambah allowance. So untuk kembali kepada soalan Roman 2. Dalam Roman 2 kita akan apply inheritance concept by creating subclass named call bonus which derive from class salary. So kita akan create kita akan apply dia punya inheritance call bonus subclass. Kita akan create subclass call bonus which derive from class salary. So kita kena mana? Ni. So kita kena create satu subclass call bonus yang akan extend class all the class salary. So kita first kita letak float, kita declare dia punya variable iaitu basic salary, allowance dan juga bonus percentage. So sebabkan tadi abstract class, so kita kena letak siapa untuk inherit the class, that class. So untuk kembali kepada soalan 3 Roman, untuk 3 Roman ni kita kena create the implementation method of call bonus to calculate the employee bonus in the class bonus. So in the implementation method, kembali kepada ni, kita akan create satu method call bonus yang akan mengira bonus dan apa kira bonus untuk bahagian staff. So dalam apa yang kena ada iaitu public call bonus, kita panggil balik yang call bonus untuk staff iaitu float basic salary dan juga float bonus percentage. Dalam perkiraan dia adalah bonus basic salary darab dengan bonus percentage dan kita akan return semula return float bonus dalam bentuk float. Untuk kemudian untuk yang untuk head department sama juga, cuma kita untuk department dia kira allowance, tambah allowance, so bonus basic salary darab bonus percentage tambah dengan allowance, so dia akan return bonus untuk head department. Itu saja dari saya kemudian saya akan bagi kepada Danish untuk present bagian foreman.
Assalamualaikum, nama saya Ahmad Danish. Saya akan menyambung soalan Pak Roman. Soalan Pak Roman, dia kata modify the test class salary class. Kita akan pergi ke A, ask user if they want to calculate overtime payment or bonus. Kita akan tengok coding. So kalau user nak contohnya user tu siapa? Head of. Kalau user tu nak sama ada dia staff employee ataupun head of department, dia enter 1. Kalau dia contohnya kita pilih staff employee, kita input nombor 2. Lepas tu kita enter je nama kita apa. Contoh saya Ahmad lah nama saya kan. And then saya dari department apa? Department IT department. Okay, saya akan enter IC number saya. Okay, lepas tu kan based on the question, disuruh ask user if user nak calculate overtime payment ke ataupun bonus payment. So kalau user nak kira calculate overtime payment, user kena insert nombor 1. Kalau user nak kira bonus payment, user just insert nombor 2. Jadi contohnya kalau kita nak bonus payment, kita letak nombor 2. So contohnya salary kita at least 2,000 lah kan. Kita input 2,000. Lepas tu enter. So contohnya month tu kita kerja selama 25 bulan, kita input 25 bulan. Okay, so dia akan keluar dekat situ nama, IC dan dari department mana. Lepas tu yang paling penting dia tunjuk apa yang output yang kita nak, iaitu bonus. Okay, akan ada ni contohlah kan, kalau kita kerja korang daripada 24 bulan. Contohnya kalau kita kerja hanya 24 bulan je kan. Sebentar. Okay, contohnya kita kerja monthly return 5,000. Okay, so kita input 5,000. Okay, contohnya kita kerja selama 24 bulan, iaitu 2 tahun. Oh, salah. Selama 20 bulan. Kita input 20 bulan. Sekejap tengah loading. Okay, so dia akan keluar. output dia akan keluar your service period is below 2 years. So total salary dia 5,000. Dia tak akan keluar bonus. Dia tak akan display bonus sebab kita tak lebih daripada 24 bulan. Okay, so kita akan, so lepas dah calculate bonus payment tu, saya akan tunjukkan output untuk calculate overtime payment. Okay, so kalau kita nak enter kita punya calculate overtime payment, kita enter nombor 1. Nombor 2. Okay, so untuk kita kira calculate overtime payment, kita insert nombor 1. So monthly salary kita 5,000. Dan overtime hour kita, contohnya kita bekerja selama lebih 10 jam. 2 jam. Kita bekerja overtime selama 2 jam. Kita input nombor 2. Lepas tu dia akan buatlah nama IC department yang mana, lepas tu salary with overtime iaitu RM5,007. Okay, so selepas untuk staff employee, kita akan tunjuk untuk head of department pula. So untuk head of department, kita input nombor 1. Tu macam biasalah, nama Ahmad. Untuk department, IT department, IC nombor. Tu basic salary kita dalam 7,000 lah. Allowance kita dalam 1,000 lah, 1,000. Enter your service period in month. Kalau kita bekerja selama 2 tahun, kita input 24 bulan. Okay, dan output dia akan tunjuk nama, IC number, department dari mana. Yang paling penting, dia tunjuk allowance 1,000, bonus 3,100 dan juga total salary kita RM10,100. Sebentar ya. Okay, contohnya kalau kita input kita salah. Contohnya kan sepatutnya basically kita kena enter nombor kan, tapi kita enter karakter, kita enter char. Jadi dia salah lah. So kalau apa yang jadi kalau dia keluar, sekejap ya, saya tunjuk output. Department 1, nama, apa-apa nama je, department pun IC. Tapi saya okey kat sini sepatutnya kita kita kalau macam kita enter selain daripada nombor kan. So kalau kita enter char kan, dia akan keluar output macam ni lah. So dia akan keluar abstention code, enter integer number for salary. Okay, so abstention code ni kan, macam mana dia punya coding dia. Jadi saya declare dekat try system.out.paylight, enter basic salary, enter your allowance and enter your service period in month tu kan. Lepas tu untuk benda tu saya buat cache number format exception tu. Saya buat system.out.paylight, kalau tak letak nombor, letak char, dia akan jadi keluar output exception code. Please enter integer number. Baiklah.